Today I will be showing you guys how to disable the traction control system in 2012 Volkswagen Passat. Some of these models do not come with a button and there's no way to turn it off. Here is a little hack as to how to get out of some snow or whatever situation you may be in where the traction control kicks in when you don't want it to. So you turn on your ignition, press your hazards, and you will pump the gas 5 times all the way to the bottom. 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that the traction control system and your air pressure light comes on. You can now start your car. Apply the handbrake, put it in drive. Lights are on. I'll speed up now. Spin as much as you want now. Once you move forward about 5 feet, it engages the traction control again and the lights both go off. No lights stay on the dash. So that's about as simple as it is. Nothing tricky. Takes you a couple seconds and you have it disabled. Here's the aftermath of the tire spinning out for a little bit. If you're on pavement, you may not want to try it out like this. You can't permanently turn them off just by doing this hack, but it'll get you out of a wet spot or something icy where your traction control is being a pain in the ass. Like I said, this is a 2012 Passat, so let me know if it works for your VW, what year you have, what model, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.